At times we feel overwhelmed, we feel we are not doing the right thing, we also feel like giving up on YouTube. But then when we remember how we started from 0 subscribers and getting to the amount of subscribers we have right now, the analytics of my content and all that, so I place them now in my journal here. Then another thing pop up to our mind that, do you really need to give up on YouTube? This is a fact. These are the things you need to know before you click on that YouTube icon and then start up your own YouTube channel. Your channel will not just grow overnight. You are going to go through a lot of series of emotions. So you need to prepare your mind of these things you are going to go through. Just so you know, in life, you can fail and you can also win. So just prepare your mind that if your video is not getting the views you've pictured your videos to get, if that video is not getting it, don't be too angry about it. Just keep trying and trying, and like I said, the more you try, the more you see results. It's just like a farmer that went to his farm to plant a corn. You do not expect this corn that he plants to germinate the next day.
This is the plantation.
So just put this practical to your YouTube channel. You do not expect the video you post today to germinate so much the next day. It's only possible if you are a celebrity and you post a video today.
No, you have to try a little harder. You have to push.
In fact, before today ends, you see a lot of positive results about it. Just try your best and give yourself that that motivation, because nobody else will do this for you. I repeat, nobody else will motivate you like the way you're going to motivate yourself. So give yourself that motivation, keep striving, keep being consistent. When I'm talking about being consistent, I am talking about you posting the time you've scheduled to post and the days you scheduled to post. Like I said in my previous video, I'm going to drop the link in the description box or in the end screen. Like I said, posting daily, I am not so certain that it gives your channel that growth it deserves. You need to take a deep breath and give that your YouTube channel space to grow.
Can I be your star tonight?
Hey guys, welcome to Anna's vlog. If today is your first time, please do not make it your last time. If you're feeling like starting a YouTube channel today, or at the process of you starting that YouTube channel, you're feeling overwhelmed, you are feeling not encouraged, you are dissatisfied, then you need to continue watching this video till the end. Please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video at the process. I know the feeling of you complaining that you post a video and this video is getting no views. It's possible for a video to get no views, but there's a way you can help that video reach a higher range of people, and there's a way you can make the click-through rate go high. You are the only one that could do this by yourself. All you have to do is to click on that your video you uploaded and watch it by yourself, and then give yourself one view. And once you watch it from beginning to the end, the algorithm will notice that that particular person that watched the video enjoyed the video and watch it from beginning to the end, and it can also help you take that video out there for other people to watch that video. Please ignore the background noise and Thank you for watching today's video. See you all in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.